The new downtown destination in Odessa is getting ready to serve more than just food. It's a place designed to give local food truck owners room to grow and a chance to turn small beginnings into big dreams. News 9's Stephen Pepper has the story.
For food truck owners like Jorge and Lily Payares, an opportunity to share their dream may soon become a reality. The new business owner started El Venado Cooks, specializing in smash burgers. They used to open on East 17th Street in Odessa until a friend told him about a chance to be more visible.
It's a really good opportunity to grow as a business. And I mean, we're learning because, like I said, we've been in this business for 3 months, almost 3 months, and we like to grow.
El Venado Cooks will be one of 8 food trucks featured at downtown Grub Hub. It became founder Mike Benavides' passion project when he saw a successful park in Dallas. He says food trucks are a growing business in Odessa, and he's on a mission to support local entrepreneurs.
There's a call for it. A lot of the people that have food trucks really are moving from place to place, and this will be an opportunity for them to stay in one place and actually almost have where customers can find them.
Along with a diverse menu, downtown Grub Hub will include a walk-up service bar, games and music for the entire family. Payares is excited to serve a larger crowd. He says his truck has limited space to handle a big rush, so he hopes any additional revenue could mean a new truck.
This food truck that we have right now is fitted to sell tacos, no burgers a lot. So we struggle a little bit with the spaces and all that. But yes, we are looking forward to get better equipment for the people.
Now, Benavides also tells me that he's working closely with the city and health department with the hopes that downtown Grub Hub can start cooking on February 8th. Reporting in Odessa, I'm Stephen Pepper for News West 9.